and you're tuning in to my YouTube channel where I've been teaching you guys how to create this basic scene right here. And in this tutorial, I want to teach you how to create the walls and the floor and everything, and how to add color to your mesh and everything like that. So right after this intro, we're going to get started. But before we get to that, I just want to say thank you guys for rocking with me. Thank you guys for watching the videos. Thank you for leaving comments. I pray that you're leaving comments. I pray you hit that subscribe button. And thank you for sharing the videos and just interacting with me. And I got a lot more videos on the way. I'm just getting started. But like I said, just leave me a comment and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. And I hope you guys are being blessed. Hope you guys have a blessed day. But right after this intro video, we're going to get started. I'm going to work, guys. The fun's about to begin.
3D inspiration.
Yo, welcome back, guys. We in Blender right now. So we're going to get started. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to apply the color to the mesh right here. And how we can colorize our mesh and everything we have modeled so far. So let's get into it, guys, with no more delay. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to select the mesh right here. Make sure you're in object mode. And then you're going to come over here to material. This icon right here, it says material. And when you click that, you're going to come to new. But before you come to new, you're going to click this plus button right here, say add a new mesh slot. So right here, then you're going to come to new. Now when you come to new, we're going to come to base color. Now what base color does is so you can select the base color of the mesh right here. So what's going to happen is once we select this color right here, like watch this, that's the color it's going to change to. As we select the red. And that's basically how we're going to get that done. Alright. Now we're going to go to our chair. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click the plus. And then we're going to click new. And then we're going to come to base color right here. And then we're going to select the color we want. Like that. Yeah, alright with that. And then we're going to come here to the chair. To the plate. Sorry about that. And then we're going to hit the plus. And then select new. And then we're going to click the yellow. I know it's different colors, I'm just being different. And then I'm going to scroll down here because there's different settings you can add to your mesh. So I'm going to add a little reflection on mine. So I'm going to turn down the reflection side. You can mess with it a little bit, just give it a little shine to it. Like that. And I'm going to the cup. New. Base color. Do a green. Something like that. And then go to material. Turn it down. So I'm going to give it a little shine to it. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. You can see the material has a little glow to it a little bit. Because what I'm doing, I'm adding a little glow to it. The material. Just give it that effect. You know like how the mug has the little glow to it, like I got a mug right here, I gotta be careful because I got tea in it. But yeah, like you can have that little reflection on the mug. Yeah. But I like drinking tea, y'all. Yeah, I like drinking tea. Okay. Got that done. And we're going to come back up here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to select this back wall right here. And the way we're going to do that is by hitting tab on the keyboard. I'm coming up here. I'm going to edit mode. Okay, tab again. Okay, and when you go into edit mode, make sure you got face selected. This right here. Alright, with that selected, you're going to select the button. There, hold on. You're going to select the back face right here. So you're going to hold down shift, hit select the back face. You can select this face right here, but you're really not going to see it, so it's really not going to matter. But with that being selected, like that, I'm going to adjust the thing again right here with the move tool. And then I'm going to hit new. And then I'm going to do like a blue. Because I like that blue. Alright. So we got blue right here. And I'm deselect. The only reason why I keep pulling out like this so I can deselect. Alright. Now what we're going to do, we're going to come back on new. We're going to select this. We're going to come down here. Split. Oh, sorry about that. So before you select, okay, Control Z. Okay, so before you select the mesh again, make sure you got your new mesh selected right here. And then you're going to new. So make sure this is selected. You're on a new mesh. And then shift select. And then you're going to add color to it. Apply. And then, yeah. But I don't want it to be white. So what I'm going to change that color. I want it to be like a blue. Yeah, that's cool. Different. I like it. So, what y'all think? So, right now we're finished. We got everything colored, and you guys did it. I'm proud of y'all, and y'all made it to the end of the tutorial. So, I'm gonna take a sip of tea, cause hey, we did it. Congratulations! I call y'all blessed. Yeah. So, yeah, I had fun with you guys. Balling with y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the tutorials. And it's going to be more. And I'm going to show you a sneak peek of what we're going to learn in the next tutorial. In fact, I'm going to show it to you right now. Hold on. Alright, so in the next tutorial, we're going to get started modeling this little owl cartoon character. And I'm going to show you guys how to model him in the first tutorial and everything. In that next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to color him and everything. The same way how we just colored our basic thing. It's the same. But the modeling is going to be a little bit different because we're going to model a character. And a cartoon character at that. It's an owl. And then I'm going to walk you through how to rig the character. Then we're going to animate him and make him do a little something. Hey, so guys, don't go nowhere. In the next tutorial, we're going to start a new process of modeling this basic character right here. Then we're going into the rigging and animating part. So I call y'all blessed. Hope y'all have a great day or a great night, whatever time it is y'all watching this. Remember, Jesus saved, God love you. I call you blessed. All things are possible through Jesus Christ. Hey, Jesus died on the cross for your sin. And you can find that in your Bible in John 3:16. Hey, take some time, get him prayed, and read your Bible, learn about his goodness. I call y'all blessed. See y'all in the next tutorial. Peace. I'm out.